Many people have lost homes over there, and they're still facing this hurricane season with no roof and no homes. It's very traumatic on that island.
How could we together as a Caribbean community mobilize the business sector to work with the other agencies? Very often when you have a disaster, we look outward and sometimes inward, meaning within the region, we may have the capacity. Nigel Salina, Chairman of the Mercy Foundation and the Rebuild Our Homes project or initiative, and I support the rebuilding of the Caribbean, the hurricane-affected islands through the Rebuild Our Homes initiative. You can visit us at rebuildourhomes.com, and you too can support this initiative.
Hi, I'm Rhonda Mengo, and guess what? I support the wonderful project in the Caribbean now, Rebuild Our Homes. Why don't you join us?
I am Kiran Maharaj, Managing Director of Caribbean Lifestyle Communications and Caribbean Lifestyle Productions, and I support the Rebuild Our Homes Caribbean project. Please give, you can help save lives.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Dowdy. I'm a director of the Mercy Foundation, and I support the Rebuild a Home project.
I'm Mark Sandy from the Trinidad and Tobago Manufacturers Association, and we are fully supportive of the Build a Home initiative. We look forward to it being a huge success, and we are thankful and we're grateful to be a part of this project.